I just built 5 AI employees in 72 hours. They work 24/7. One analyzes competitors every Monday. One writes my newsletter every Friday. One turns videos into social clips automatically. All I had to do was answer a few simple questions, and Manus did it all. In this video, I'll show you how to turn your best work into AI employees that run on autopilot. Hey everyone, I'm Jake, and let's just dive in. Let me ask you something. How many times do you basically do the same task every week? You analyze competitors on Monday. You'll do it again next Monday. Same process. You spent 4 hours cutting your videos into social clips on Friday, and next Friday, you'll do it again. You know you should systemize this, but every time you try, it's impossible. ChatGPT makes you re-explain everything from scratch every single time. You looked at tools like Zapier. Too complicated, too technical. Here's the truth. The problem isn't you. The problem is that every tool makes you figure out how to automate. Manus Skills flips this completely. Instead of you learning how to automate, Manus interviews you. Like if you were training a new employee, it asks the questions, you just pick the answers. So here's how it actually works. You have 2 ways to create skills. The first option is to start with an idea. You tell Manus what you want to automate. Let's say it's competitor research. Manus walks you through 10 to 15 simple questions, multiple choice questions, business questions, not technical ones. How many competitors? What metrics matter? What format for the report? You just click the answers, and Manus builds the skill. The second option is to do your work first. You complete a task inside Manus naturally, research competitors, build a report, get it exactly how you want it. Then you type /, select skill creator, and Manus analyzes everything that you just did. It looks at every prompt you use, every tool you activated, the entire workflow. And here's the key. It asks you a few clarifying questions to standardize it. Then it packages all of that into a reusable skill. Either way, you get an AI employee that knows exactly how you want that task done. And you can schedule it to run automatically every Monday at 9 a.m., every Friday afternoon, whenever you want. This is what makes Manus different from other AI tools right now. Most tools will give you better conversations. Manus delivers actual completed work, reports finished, videos edited, websites built, analysis done, real deliverables that you can use immediately. Plus, you can chain multiple skills together. Imagine a full product launch skill that automatically runs your market research skill, and then your brand messaging skill, then your website builder skill, all in sequence, all automatically. That's the biggest value that Manus brings right now. Let me show you this in action. I'm going to start with a pre-built skill to show you instant value, and then I'll show you how to create your own. This is the video clip extractor skill. Now, I already did the work of training Manus exactly how to extract clips perfectly. It's sitting in the skills library, ready to use. All I have to do is activate it. Now, watch what happens when I give it one of my 22-minute YouTube videos. I type /, select video clip extractor, upload my video, and hit enter. Now it's working. It's transcribing the video, identifying the most engaging moments, extracting clips, and then formatting them for TikTok, Instagram, YouTube Shorts, and LinkedIn. This normally takes me 4 hours of manual editing. Let's see how long Manus takes. Done. 5 minutes. Look at this. It created more than 5 pieces of content from my one video, 8 different high engagement moments, formatted 4 different ways for 4 different platforms. Every clip is under 60 seconds, captions are embedded, aspect ratios are correct. They're ready to upload right now. This one skill just saved me 4 hours, and I can use it every single time I publish a video. Better yet, I can schedule it to run automatically whenever I upload. That's instant value from a pre-built skill. Now, let me show you something even more detailed. I'm going to build a skill called Competitor YouTube Strategy Analyzer right here, right now. Here's the task. Every Monday, I want to analyze 5 competitors from YouTube channels, see what's working for them, spot trends, and get strategic recommendations compared to my own channel. First, I type the / symbol and I choose the skill creator. Then I tell Manus, create a skill that analyzes competitor YouTube channels and gives me strategic insights. Now Manus walks me through 12 questions. And watch this. Manus is interviewing me like I'm training a new hire. It's asking me business questions, not technical questions, and every question has multiple choice options. I don't have to guess what's possible, I just pick what makes sense for my workflow. Now, this is what makes Manus different from Zapier or Make. I'm not writing code, I'm not configuring APIs, I'm answering. How many channels? What time frame? What format? Manus asks the right questions and I just collect answers. This is how non-technical people build powerful automation. That took me 8.5 minutes, 12 simple questions. Now, watch what happens. Let me test it with 5 actual competitor channels. I'll tell it to start. And look at the output. Executive summary. Top 10 performing videos from every channel, 7 topic clusters identified across all competitors, title and thumbnail patterns, engagement analysis, comparison to my channel, and 5 strategic recommendations. This report would have taken me 4 hours to research and write manually. It took 3 minutes here. Now here's where it really gets insane. I'm going to schedule this to run every Monday at 9 a.m. I type run this every Monday at 9 a.m. Manus translates that to a schedule. Done. Now, let me show you the numbers. Time to create this skill, 8.5 minutes. Time saved every time I used it, almost 4 hours. That's over 200 hours saved every year. And just imagine how much that would cost if I hired a virtual assistant. From 8.5 minutes of setup. Manus is not a chatbot anymore. It's an AI employee. And here's another thing. Over 72 hours, I built 5 skills, and each one of them integrates directly into my workflow. I can even connect all of this to Slack or Trello to follow each task as it runs and get notifications on my phone when something's done. Competitor Analysis Pro runs every Monday at 9 a.m. Analyzes 5 competitors, delivers a strategic report, saves me 4 hours every week. Weekly Topic Trend Scout runs every Tuesday at 8 a.m. Scans 20 industry sources for trending topics. Saves me 2 hours every week. Video Clip Extractor runs automatically after every video I publish. Turns one long video into 24 platform optimized clips. Saves me 3 hours per video, 12 hours a month. Morning Brief Builder runs daily at 8 a.m. It scans the news, it checks my metrics, it suggests daily priorities, saves me 30 minutes every day. All of these tasks add up to 18 hours saved every week. That's like getting 3 extra workdays back. Now, let me show you where this gets really powerful. Composability. You can chain multiple skills together to automate entire business processes. Watch this example. I have a master skill called Full Content Production Workflow. It runs 3 skills in sequence automatically. The first skill it's using is the topic research skill. This one runs every Tuesday at 8 a.m. It scans industry sources and trending topics, and it outputs my top 5 video ideas ranked by potential. Next comes the script outline skill. This one runs on Tuesdays at 10 a.m. It takes the number 1 topic from step 1 and it creates a detailed video outline with hooks, key points, and a call to action. Next is the video clip extractor. This one runs automatically after I publish the video. It generates 24 platform-ready clips. That's 3 skills working together as one automated content department. No Zapier, no visual programming, just one command, and the entire workflow runs. This is how you go from automating tasks to automating entire departments. Oh, and one more thing that makes this different. You can refine skills anytime without rebuilding. Remember that competitor analysis skill? Let's say I want to add subscriber growth rate tracking. Watch this. I just type add subscriber growth rate for each competitor to the report. The skill updates in 10 seconds, and next Monday reports includes the new data automatically. Now here's why this matters. Most automations break when you need changes. You have to start over or reconfigure everything. With Manus Skills, you just tell it what you want in simple text. No rebuilding, no starting over. So, who is this for? Manus Skills is perfect if you have repetitive weekly tasks, research, reporting, content creation, or if you value your time at $50 an hour or more, or if you run a small team or even work solo. Content creators can use this for video repurposing, thumbnail generation, trend research. Consultants for proposals, competitive analysis, client reports. Agencies for client onboarding, campaign reporting, social scheduling. Solopreneurs for morning briefs, dashboards, quote generation. And here's something most people don't realize yet. There's actually a skills marketplace at skillssmp.com. This is where you can share skills that you've built and discover skills that other people have created. So if you build a competitor price monitoring skill that works perfectly for your workflow, you can share it on that marketplace. And then other businesses can find that, import it, and use it immediately in their own Manus workspace. And of course, it works both ways. You can browse the marketplace and export skills that other people have built. Someone already solved your problem, just grab their skill and customize it for your needs. This is where Manus becomes a community. You're not just building skills for yourself, you're contributing to a library of business automation that everyone can benefit from. Now, if you want to share a skill with your team, you can just download the skill and send it to them. They import it into their Manus workspace, and boom, they're running the exact same process that you perfected. Everyone does the work your way every time without training sessions or SOPs that nobody reads. This isn't just about saving time, it's about productizing your expertise. Now, here's who this probably isn't for. If every task you do is completely unique with no patterns, if you're not willing to invest 10 to 15 minutes per skill up front, or if you just prefer doing everything manually. And look, let's be honest, Manus won't replace strategic thinking or creative work, but it will eliminate the repetitive execution that drains your energy. All right, here's what I suggest that you do next. Think of one weekly task that takes an hour or more and follows a pattern. That's your first skill. Go to manus.im, the link's in the description, check the pricing and sign up. Block 30 minutes this weekend. Build your first skill using the approach that I just showed you. You can schedule it to run on Autopilot. Monday morning, Friday afternoon, whatever makes sense for you. Then build your second skill next week. Your competitors are already doing this, by the way. The difference between businesses that scale and businesses that stay stuck is simple. They build systems. Manus Skills lets you build AI systems this weekend. Do your work, capture it as a skill, schedule it, that's it. Hey, drop a comment below. Tell me, what would you build with Manus Skills? I'm curious to know. All right, that's it for today. If you want the exact prompts that I use, or you want to join a community where we share templates and troubleshoot together, join my school community. The link's in the description below as well. Hey, if this review helped you understand what it really takes to use Manus Skills effectively, hit that subscribe button. I test AI tools that bring real business results every week. Thank you so much for hanging out with me today, and I will see you in the next video where we're going to take this even further and dive into AI-powered productivity. Just click on the video to my left, and you'll see exactly what I'm talking about. See you there.